What's up guys, it's your boy, Matt, oh no. What's up creators, it's your boy, Mad Mike. On today's episode, I'm here with my buddy, Alistair, who owns Squamish Finishing Solutions, and we're about to lay down some satin black paint on the rear grills for the Ferrari KitCar. So stay tuned, check it out. So yeah, I guess first is cleaning all the parts with some acetone, you're saying?
Yeah.
Does it say here?
It's good to wipe the stuff down like 10 minutes before you spray it, just to make sure it's fully clean.
And that gets rid of any of the grease and dust and stuff like that?
Exactly, and then all like loose paint and shit.
Perfect, so let's start wiping down the parts. We are done rubbing acetone on all the parts. We're about to start hanging them up on the rack. And next step is mixing up the paint, and we'll go step by step, setting up the gun for spraying. So right now, I guess you're tying up this also when you're spraying it, the air pressure from the gun doesn't blow it around?
Yeah, so it doesn't want to hit these parts, so I can just give it a quick like cut like that.
Yep.
It's not going to go and hit my other parts. I'm happy with it basically.
I dig it.
Just want to make sure when I'm spraying it, I can comfortably spray it without getting anything from my way so much.
Yep.
These ones I can get around it all pretty comfortably. And yeah, it should come out nice, man.
Bobby's your uncle.
Oh, yeah.
Uncle Bobby. So we got all the parts hung up on the rack. The other rear grille, we're just gonna stage up on this little platform here so we can get all around it. So let's get him inside the booth.
Yeah, mate, so we'll spray this one first. And then once we spray this one, we can push it to the back of the booth, down this end. And then we can then go and pull the other one in, and then we just leave the other part.
Shoot it. We're just doing one big heavy coat or doing two coats?
We spray basically two coats. Basically one coat first, and then you just give it like 15 minutes to flash.
Last time.
And then you can spray a second coat.
Perfect.
Without sanding.
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Lemon squeezy.
See, maintenance is important, so with these particular guns it's just so easy. You can just literally pull the pin out, give them a good clean up, make sure your tip's clean, get some thinners, obviously some better thinners to start with. Just so well made, the machine learns really just second to none, as I always say.
Exactly. I love that in the video though. You know, the airflow, the adjustment, second to none really.
And the fan control you have on it, and the paint flow, the air pressure control, it's just second to none really. So in goes the pin, nice and clean, and just literally spring loaded on the end there. Just quickly screw that on, from Bob's your uncle, and Fanny is your aunt.
What PSI do you spray at?
20 PSI, yeah. That's what we usually run our Kremlin system off. So yeah, I'd say about 20 PSI is typical.
Awesome.
It's very varies between what we're spraying though. Like with this setup, you can use run at slightly lower pressure.
All right, boys, it's time to mix up some paint. Time to mix some paint, I guess.
Yeah, so with these 3M cup guns, they're all obviously all the mixing ratios on the side of the cup. And with this particular product we use, we want to do a 3-to-1.
Okay.
So it's 3 part paint to 1 part hardener, and give it a quick mix up, and then should be good to go.
Woo! I'm excited, boys. We're about to lay down some paint. Finally, we're making some progress here.
We're gonna do, say, 6. Would be good.
Part B, it's gonna harden the paint up.
So this is a relatively new brand based out of Montreal, Canada. Or at least that's where our suppliers are. Yeah, highly recommend this stuff. It's not cheap, but you know the good stuff never is, right?
Gonna do it right.
So we're on the 6 mark. So we're gonna fill her up now to 6 here. Oh, she jumped a little bit on me. Let's check that. Yeah, that's 6 right there.
So we got the 2 parts inside the cup, and I guess we put on the cap after that, and you're ready to pretty much put it onto the gun, right?
Give it a quick stir up. Put the lid down so the paint doesn't dry up.
Ooh, look at the color, guys. So we're gonna go with satin black. I don't know if I mentioned that to you guys yet, but we have the option of either a flat black or a satin, and we chose to go with the satin. I think that'll definitely look better than the flat. So yeah, we're going satin. All right, we're about to shoot on the paint booth, so I'm gonna put some audio to this because it's gonna get really loud in here. But yeah, we're about to lay down the paint on all the grill pieces, so let's get after it. Looks so good. I'm so stoked right now. So stoked. Next in the spray booth, is the Ferrari kitCar. I know that you guys are super excited about that, but guys, we're making some progress finally. After the past year of wrenching on the car, getting the engine to run, you know, dealing with some bodywork stuff, we are getting there, guys. Next time we're in the spray booth, the car will be in here. We still don't know what color we're gonna go yet, whether we're gonna go Viper red or purple. Make sure to comment below. He's saying purple, I'm saying maybe purple or red, I don't know. Leave a comment below. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.